Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete multiple friends from Snapchat app at once. But please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments under this video, and also subscribe to the channel. So let us be with you friends. Let's get started. Please open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, on the top left, click on your Bitmoji. Now, please scroll through your account and go to the My Friends section. Click on this option. Here you will see a list of people who are your friends on Snapchat. If you would like to possibly remove someone from this list, you'll need to tap and hold on that person. Then manage friendship and delete. Confirm your action, and the person will be instantly deleted. If you would like to delete several people at once in this way, unfortunately, you will not find such an option because Snapchat unfortunately does not have an option that allows you to mark several people at once to delete them. You will need to delete all people one by one. The only thing you can do is to open the Snapchat app your account through a web browser. And then you can delete your account, for example, in Snapchat completely. In this way, you will of course delete it and all the people who were subscribed to your account, and then just create a new Snapchat account and add new friends. This is the way you'll be able to delete multiple friends on Snapchat at once. I really hope the video has helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, subscribe to the channel, and also write comments. See you, friends.